Hi, Dr. Johnson here, or some people call me Laura, some people call me Dr. Laura or Dr. Johnson. Anything goes, just depends on the person. I just wanted to give you a quick welcome to Laura Johnson Physical Therapy and Wellness and let you know where you're headed and what you can expect on your first visit. So the office is located at 4710 Table Mesa Drive, Suite B. And that's right off of Table Mesa and Tantra. So Tantra Road is right here, and you come in and there's a parking lot in the front of the building, and there's also a parking lot in the back. So as you come in, you can choose which one is easiest for you. And the office is within the office. My clinic is in the office of the Massage Collective, and so you can look for those signs to find where you're going. So that's the best way to look. So if we go in, we'll hit the waiting area, and usually there's someone there to welcome you. If not, then you can have a seat in the chairs we have out front, and even get yourself a mug with a cup of water if you like, if no one's here, and I'll be out to greet you. So if we go inside, here's the front desk. Someone will be here like Carla or Marina or Stacia, or if they're not, then you can just have a seat in the chairs in the waiting area. And then we have several treatment offices within this building, and we have a bunch of different practitioners. So we have physical therapists, massage therapists, chiropractors, estheticians, psychotherapists, a bunch of different practitioners, which is really cool to be in an office with a lot of different healthcare and wellness providers in the same place. A lot of really wonderful people too. So like I said, there are 4 different treatment rooms that you'll be meeting in one of them. So here's one that's not being used at the moment, and there's just a small room with a table, an adjustable table. They're really comfortable. They have padding and heaters if we need those. So usually I'm into not having things too hot for you. And when you come in for your first visit, you and I will you and I, or your therapist, most likely you and I will be talking about your goals and your histories and how this injury or problem began, and then do an assessment, a total postural and movement analysis. I'll have you lay on the table, and I'll feel some areas based upon where you've said you have pain or discomfort or dysfunction, and I'll walk you through that whole process of evaluation so that you understand that within your body. So that's a lot of what you can expect. And then down the rest of the hallway, it kind of goes on, and there are restrooms down at the end of the hall. So that's the main gist. Anyway, so I hope you find your way here okay and are looking forward to solving some problems. I look forward to helping you. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to be in touch, and I look forward to meeting with you soon. Bye.